Dan from the Bodycentre here. So today we have this Skoda Rapid on site. You are not going to believe what we are now going to do. We are respraying the car in Skoda VRS Rally Green. It's going to be unreal. As usual, stripping it all down. It's going to be a very professional job. Let's get into the workshop. I think we're going to get Carl on this one. complete. What a transformation. We're so happy with this one. Looks absolutely awesome. We've gone from the standard body colour, race blue, to the awesome Rally Green, which is another Skoda colour. We had so much fun on this one. David, we pulled him out of retirement. He's not normally a painter here, but he done an absolutely awesome job. He stepped in with our other painter, Adam, done a side each, keep it nice and wet so you got no overspray. And obviously when that lacquer goes on, it's really important to keep that shine. But yeah, no problems throughout the whole process. Went absolutely perfectly. We also done the wheels while the car was in. So stripped the wheels off the car, took the tyres off, repainted them front and back. Just really finished it off. Now there's not a single dent on the car. It looks awesome. Customer was over the moon. So happy. He actually done this. His daughter wanted a green car for the wedding. And for her wedding. So instead of hiring in a green car, he painted his own green. Real cool touch, keeping the car in the family, and they've now got it exactly how they want it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please click the link below. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please click all the subscribe buttons. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment on all our social media pages, and also click that bell button so you get a notification every time we post a video. See you guys next time.